can't touch. I swear they can't touch. Got you feeling.
DJ Siren.
Untouchable sounds. We worldwide. They can't touch. I swear they can't touch. Got you feeling the rush when I beat down. And you know it's no kidding when I'm up in your city. I'm untouchable. My sound, you can't touch. My style, you can't touch. I swear they can't touch. Got you feeling the rush. And you know it's no city. I'm untouchable. Mr. Untouchable here to wreak havoc. Killing the custom subs, doing damage. Automotive celebrity car, audio genius. And drips. And I mean it.
Set. I just DD1'd all of them. Give me 1 second while I change this real quick. Hold on 1 second. So we're gonna go ahead. So I got it where they're all playing now. This is an Untouchable Sound song. I'm scared, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared. Like I got so much shit wrapped up in this thing trying to get it going. I gotta play with it easy. So I got it back because we were only giving it 30 something volts. Hey, grab that over there. Grab that over there and turn it off. So I was only giving 36, 37 volts.
I swear they can't touch. Got you feeling the rush when I beat down. And you know it's no kidding when I'm up in your city. I'm untouchable. My sound can't touch. My style can't touch. I swear they can't touch. Got you feeling the rush when I beat down. And you know it's no kidding when I'm up in your city. I'm untouchable. Here to wreak havoc. With damage, automotive celebrity car, audio genius. Hand drip to your whip, and I mean it. Yeah, can't be touched like I'm invisible. Ability to touch some rhythm here in that vision. Long as mine already know who it's on. I see. My God. Eyes on my ride when I pass, you be feeling low, but my music's down.
Pretty happy with it.
Swagging up wheels on the daily. Pimping out rides like crazy.
I
The
wish.
name is known worldwide, hot to the touch. I'm on fire, that's why I sound. You can't touch my style, you can't touch my sweat. You can't touch. Got to feel it the first when I keep down. And you know it's no kidding when I'm.
Yeah, I'm gonna close it up still. I got the plexiglass to do it. So I will say this though, like I tuned it at 60 and that's at 55, and I know at 58 is where I'm gonna be demoing 55 to 58. So I know it'll get it. I'm just scared. So let's see. I'm not in a rush to fuck some shit up though. So that's with both windows down here.
Untouchable sounds.
This is 55. I'm not going past 55 right now.
Let go. crazy.
I can't get copyrighted on that one. He will the day you play 20 hertz. What does he say? See, that's 27 at -5 dB. This is a tuning CD. I don't have a music CD. Actually, let me see. Let's see. I got a music CD. Hold on. But, fuck you, Dan. Who the fuck pays to have theme songs made at 52? Actually, that's at 28 to 52. Actually, it's 28 to 49. Fucktard. And do you have a song, you fat? I can't even say that. Actually, I can't even say that. Let me not say that because people get blocked. People get blocked for saying people are big and stuff like that. So let's see what songs we can play here. I'm gonna get chalked up for this one. I guarantee you. This is 19 hertz. I'm not playing no 20 hertz, bro. What it do at 20? Nothing. It don't do absolutely nothing. The devil is a lie, just like the song says. 31 hertz. The devil is a lie.
Masterminds. We gon' get this forever. You know, whenever we link up, my nigga, they think this shit come from outer space or something. Nigga, let's get this money, nigga. Still smelling like 10 keys. That boy. Lane to lane. The lights flashing on. Beans all with. Come a new bitch, something like a nympho.
I ain't even front. I ain't even pushing them right now. I'm scared, dog. I'm scared, dog. This is a good song. That's 10 hertz. 19 hertz. Who wants to play? I can actually play 19 hertz. I just don't want to. I really can. Stop acting like a scared. No.
My bass hits harder than crack pipes. It's 8.
Let's see what we get. I know I'm gonna end up getting blocked. This is 19 hertz here. I'm not playing it full tilt, but it's 19 hertz.
I don't mind spinning it. Yeah. I'ma smoke this joint, then I'ma break you off. I'd be lying if I said you ain't the one. All these tattoos in my skin, they turn you on. Not a smoking, drinking, that's the shit I'm on. Heard you not the type that you take home tomorrow. If we fucking when we leave the club or not. I ain't spending cash for nothing, I wanna see you take it off. I'm about this bottle, you gon' give me brain or not. You like the way I flick my tongue? No. Make around my face until you trip it. Can you think that don't take a
Can you really take dick or not? Can I put another picture now? Cause with the shit so nah, oh nah, oh nah. Would you lie for me or not?
Can't go much lower than 19 hertz. That's why I won't load anything, fam. Open up the other window. What did he say? I can't see shit. He said that's why it won't load anything. Open up the other window. It's likes to breathe. You don't feel that fucked up one. I am scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared as fuck. 19 hertz. I'm scared. They're still cold. Thomas, you did a good job, my man. You did a really good job. So I got both windows open now. Let's see what we got. You got me sweating and shit. I'm scared.
Doing 60s and touching titties. It's
29,
smoking crack.
26. Let's see what we got. Man. Mr. Soft that. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm scared.
Light while hitting it right. It's DJ Rusticles.
26 hertz.
Hey girl, tell you a little story about this thing called fucking. Hey girl, tell you a little story about this thing called fucking. Lay you on your back, got your legs in the air like a peace sign. Lay you on your back, got your legs wide open like a peace sign. But I got too much of it, I'm just a flight away. Say a little story about this thing called fucking. Hey girl, say a little story about this thing called fucking. Lay you on your back, got your legs in the air like a peace sign. Lay you on your back, got your legs wide open like a peace sign. She head like that. Count this money. Get freaky while you rolling my turn it to the book of thugs. Slip and slide in the kitchen while you cooking up. I eat your pussy while your legs up. Front to back, side to side, then I blow all in your butt. She said my life is like a true crime. One time for money, roll that nigga skin. So I fuck her like a locked up. Very young soldier, that's cool. I'm not saying this, right? I'm just scared. Then it's time to cut him off. So I love the pussy that she gives to me. Tell you a little story about this thing called fucking. Hey girl, tell you a little story about this thing called fucking. Lay you on your back, got your legs in the air like a peace sign. Lay you on your back, got your legs wide open like a peace sign. Make it dance. She head like that. Count this one. Get freaky while you rolling my cat. She fell in love on the first date.
I ain't gonna lie. We need to get Thomas down there so he could tune it up for you. It's tuned. I'm just scared. I don't want to mess anything up. I retuned it and everything. I actually got it at 75.1 volt is what I got it at. per. So they're getting like 5,600 watts at full tilt at 60 volt volume. But I'm not going to 60. I'm scared. This is 25.
You're about to get rustified.
Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is motherfucking players. We get money in motherfucking layers. Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters. Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is maids and waiters. All I got is suits and gators. Y'all niggas lost, and I'm Las Vegas. Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters. Everybody love black ass. See me coming. Kids
You worried about picking it up? You better keep it down, break them bread. I know. Yeah, they're cold still. They're cold. We're good. I'm just scared. I ain't gonna stand in front and act like I'm not scared. I'm scared as a motherfucker right now. 22 hertz. 22 hertz.
The competition lanes will never be the same. It's DJ Rustical.
Yeah, you were.
I'm a beast, boy, with the intergalactic flow. Traveling dimensions from another planet, but I spit that flash shit though. That shit go, damn, that shit blow. Put me in the laboratory, I'ma cook, that's how shit go. Fendi, Prada, Eddie. Into quantum physics. Alien and I heard about the bitches on the earth, so I think I'ma visit. Niggas coming at me, I get hard, yelling fuck me, fuck you too. Don't get it twisted when I spit it scientific, cause the niggas that's what us do shoot. No code, think you messing with a code. Dark matter, aka melanin, outer space, black power. Zulu. Yell it out like Louis, yell it out. Yell it out like Wayne, yell it out so woo. Cause I'm a victim, and I'm coming from a whole nother spectrum. Took a red kick me out the game, but I ain't gon' let them. It's a fascination.
See, I'm a broke ass nigga, B. I'm a broke motherfucker. I ain't got no money. Y'all niggas act like I got money. Lorenzo's in this bitch. That nigga got the money right there. I ain't got no motherfucking money. Y'all niggas act like I got money. I ain't got no money. 20 hertz to 25. 20 hertz. I don't know why they got doubles here. This is 20 hertz to 25. Oh shit!
It is so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends, but you know, who understands those rap guys? They only talk to her because
of
she
her
looks
box.
like a total prostitute. Okay, I mean, her butt, it's just so big. I can't believe it's just so round. It's like out there. I mean, gross. Look, she's just so wow.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. And when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. When I pull up front, cause you know that butt will stop. Even the jeans she's wearing, I look and I can't stare. Baby, I wanna get rich out and take your bitch out. My homeboy trying to warn me, but that's what you got, ladies.
I'm scared. I'm fucking scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared. So I'm gonna stay where I feel comfortable, and that's with volume halfway. No, I'm tired of that one there. Let's go to another. What's a good pack to play in? 23 to 37. 22 to 37.
Rusta not today. So you can Rusta not tonight.
Some days things just
Right there.
take
That-
way too much of my energy.
That's the maxi score right there.
The world spinning. You take my cares away. I get so overcomplicate. People tell me to medicate. Feel my blood running, sweat. The skies are falling. I don't know this shit's getting. Time goes by and I can't control my mind. Don't know what else to try, but you tell me every time. Just keep breathing, breathing.
meter's not on. I think I disconnected. Oh, the meter in the back. What? The visor, yeah. So there's a clip in the back. That's what that is. That meter is. So I don't know how. I'm not used to really, really low. There it is. That's why it's not on. Go see if the dash, that meter's on now. Came loose. It's on now, right? Yeah? Came loose. Yeah, that's all I need. I didn't hook up the other one yet. So, anyways. So, now that that's on, I still haven't finished it. Like I said, I was just been playing around with, it. This is a nice song. I live by this song.
Just the way we do it, nigga.
22 hertz.
In the building, whatever. They know where to find me at. They know what's up. This strictly beef drama, whatever you want to call it. Nigga, fuck them. We ball.
It's DJ Rustical.
Yeah. Anything you wanna do, I'm ready to do it, my nigga. Just say so. Don't say it on the record with your chest. Leave the booth and then don't say lies. I'm going home. Hiding behind your security detail. I got like a female. I done sold over 20 million records. I could really give a fuck about retail. History's been made. Now back to the basics. Back to Adidas with the fat lace. Back to the act where I'm writing to the track and attack. Get his straight, nigga, no chase. Age ain't nothing but a number. Luda rapping like he just turned 23rd birthday. Any rapper wanna forget who I am every now and then. I see.
Untouchable Sounds fan page for all the videos. I'm gonna go ahead and go live on that one too, because this one I really ever have anything on there, but it's I'm really happy with it. Shout out to Thomas from Justin Designs. Good job, buddy. I'll talk to you guys later. Remember the Untouchable Sounds for the win. For all the haters, I love you guys so much. Dan Current, you have a wonderful and blessed night. Make sure you have as much rest as you can, and God bless, my friend.